This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, hello, my dear friends. Okay. Our next topic is inserting missing character. It's very simple and easy one, which will definitely give inputs for number series topic as well. Okay. So this in inserting missing character, there is some logic, row wise or column wise. They give different type of numbers. You have to do square and adding, or you have to add it and divide by 2. There are plenty of logics. This is all about logical thinking. What are the different logics between that given numbers? What are the different logics and that given numbers we have to identify? I'll just go with the example directly, my dear friends. See this. Here, three diagrams are given. First two diagrams, some logic is going on. The same logic you should apply for the third diagram. We should understand what is the logic in the first two diagrams. That we have to apply in the third diagram, my dear friends. As per that, this is 3 square, 4 square, 5 square and 6 square. 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square. Whereas here 4 square, 5 square, 6 square and 7 square. And I think you can understand this is 6 square, 7 square, because 3, 4, 5, 6 continue, 4, 5, 6, 7 continue, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we can say this is nothing but 64. 8 square, which is nothing but 64, we have to get. 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 7, 8, 9. Got it? So one by one, you need to map, and we can say yes, option A is nothing but your answer. Got it? Excellent, my dear friends. Option A is correct. What about next question? Here, okay, two diagrams again. What is the logic for the two diagrams? You have to identify the same logic you have to apply for the third diagram. Yes, if you just observe that, my dear friends, A and B, something they performed on A and B, what you have to get finally is A square plus B square. See this? A square plus B square. A and B, A square plus B square. This is 3 square plus 9 square. This is 1 square plus 5 square, which is 26. Option B. 1 square plus 5 square, 26. We can say option B. Got it? So 2 square plus 4 square, 3 square plus 9 square, 1 square plus 5 square. Like that, if you perform, finally we got 26. Okay, that's the logic, my dear friends. Perfect. So this next question, you have to identify the correct logic. See the next one, my dear friends. What's the logic here? 9 and 7, 32, 10 and 7, question mark, 8, 5, 39. What you have to get? So here A, B, and this one, what is the logic here? Is nothing but A square minus B square. In the sense it is A minus B into A plus B. A square minus B square, or we can say A minus B into A plus B. 9 minus 7 into 9 plus 7, my dear friends. Yes, that's what. Okay, 16 into 2, 32. Here 3 into 17. 10 minus 7 into 10 plus 7. You will get 51. And this is 8 minus 5 into 8 plus 5, which is 39. Got it? So 51 here, 39 here. See the next one. Hope you understand this. Here two questions are given. Find the logic, my dear friends. What is the logic for these two questions? Two questions are there on screen. Think about the logic, what you can do. Yeah, if you observe here, 3, 16, 81, 406. What is the next number you have to identify? Internally 5 is given. This is into 5 plus 1. Here into 5 plus 1, multiplying with 5 and 1. Multiply with 5 and 1. Multiply with 5 and then add 1. So we'll get 2031, my dear friends. Option D, right? 2031 you have to get. Multiply by 5 and then add 1. Multiply by 5 and then add 1. That's it. Okay, 2031 is the logic answer for that. Logic is multiplying by 5, add 1 to that. Got it? Let's see about next question, my dear friends. Here, what's the logic? Yes, A is there, B, C, and D. How this center number is obtained? A, B, C, and D is available. Okay, this is nothing but AC plus BD. Opposite numbers you multiply and then you add opposite numbers, diagonally opposite that too. Add these diagonal opposite numbers and then multiply. Diagonally opposite numbers are B and D, A and C. Multiply this and then you can add, we'll get AC plus BD. Here 3 into 3, 9, 6 into 5, 30, we got 39. Whereas here 4 into 4, 16, 5 into 7, 35, 16 plus 35 is 51. Whereas 3 into 4, 12, 5 into 5, 25. 12 plus 25 is 37. 12 plus 25 is nothing but 37. Got it? Excellent. 37, my dear friends. Very good. See the next question. Yeah. Here, what is the logic, my dear friends? Think. Three numbers above, three numbers below. They did something with that. A, B, C. Consider this is P, Q, R. So guys, take difference between A and P. Put that here first. Then next one is B and Q difference. Next one is C and R difference. So we should take difference between those same positions, opposite places, same positions. Above A, below P, that difference. Okay, a modulus I am putting because the difference you should mention in a positive way here. Okay, A and B, A and P, B and Q, C and R. The differences because this is 9 and 3 difference. This is 5 and 4 difference. This is 3 and 9 difference. Now in that fashion, 8 and 2 difference is 6. 6 and 4 difference is 2. 3 and 1 difference is 2. 622, my dear friends. So the difference between, okay, A and 2, 6 and 4, 3 and 1. A and 2 is 6, 6 and 4 is 2, 3 and 1 is nothing but 2. The difference between that same positions we are mapping is nothing but 622, my dear friends. Got it? Excellent. See this next question. What is the logic, my dear friends? Just think about this one. What is the logic for this question? Think about this. Yeah. You just pause the video, check the logic, okay, and then see, resume that. What is the logic behind this? See this. Yeah. Can I say this is 7 into 9? Here this is 2 into 7. This is 2 and 7. 2 into 7. This is 15 and 2. This is 9 into 15, 135, my dear friends. Okay, option C is correct. You should just try to multiply, okay, external values, present external and next one, 2 into 7, 7 into 9, 9 into 15. Outside values we just multiply, okay, current one and next one, then you can find the inner value. Simple, right? Very good. See, in our practice booklet, there are some questions were very complicated also we mentioned. Okay, I think you have my mail ID. You people can share what are the doubts you have. Okay, but this is more than sufficient. Whatever discussion happening now is more than sufficient for your exam concern. Now, what about this question, my dear friends? What is the logic? Think about this values. Pause the video, try from your end. If still you are not getting the answer, resume the video and check the solution. Check the logic. Here, if you just observe, my dear friends, logic is nothing but A equal to B plus C plus D. A is nothing but B plus C plus D. Adding remaining, you will get A. 93 is 27 plus 63. 93, sorry, is 27 plus 63 plus 3. Whereas 79 is 38 plus 37 plus 4. And here the 67 is 16 plus 42 plus something x. So x is nothing but equal to 9. Yeah, x value is nothing but 9, my dear friends. We have to get 9. Got it? Fine. So let's move for the next question. So pause the video, check your logic. One important note is vertically more values are there, the logic is in vertical mode. This is rows and columns. When more numbers are in vertical, the logic is in vertical. If more numbers are in horizontal, the logic will be in horizontal mode. Here A, B, C, D, what is the logic we have to identify, my dear friends? Yes, what is the logic? Think. So this, guys, D is nothing but A into B divided by C. Here 72, 18 into 12 divided by 3. 112 is 24 into 14 divided by something. Divide by something. Yes, 14 8 times, 8 3 times. That's nothing but 3. In fact, you check 32 into 16 divided by 4 is nothing but 128. Okay, so we have to get 3 here. Excellent. See the next one. Yeah, what about this question? Pause the video, think about the logic. Then resume the video to see the what is the correct logic for this. Yeah, my dear friends, what you can do? The center value is nothing but a square, b square, c square, and d square. Adding all this, we can find that center value. A square, b square, c square, and d square. Add all this, my dear friends, then you can find the center value. Here, if you observe, 2 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square. Adding all, we got 33 actually. Here 3 square, 4 square, 25, 5 square, 25, 50, plus 2 square, we'll get 54 altogether. Whereas this is here 3 square, 4 square, 25, 5 square, 25, 50, and along with 6 square, 36, 50 and 36, 86 we'll get. Sum of all this is nothing but 86. Option D is correct. Fine, see this. Okay, how you got this values? You just check that. Now, these two questions, my dear friends, both are from our practice booklets. Pause the video, try logic from your end. A lot of people they'll think, sir, here 80 is there, 15 into 6, 90, 5 into 2, 10, 90 minus 10, 80, sir. But my dear friends, your logic should satisfy second one as well. If you think 15 into 6, 90, 5 into 2, 10. Okay, 90 minus 10, 80, sir. But it should satisfy the second logic as well. 9 6 are 54, 7 4s are 28. 54 minus 28 will give 26. It's not 65, right? So we should think. Here A, B, C and D. We have to subtract these two, we should add these two and then multiply. This is the logic. Subtracting these two, we got 10. Add these two, we'll get 8. 10 into 8 is 80. 10 into 8 is 80. So vertically, if you just check it out, subtract and then add in that other one. Okay. Here 9 and 4, if you subtract it, my dear friends, you will get 5. Here 7 and 16 will get 13, which is nothing but 65. Similarly, 13 and 11, if you subtract 2, 16 and 8, if you add, we got 24. 2 into 24 is 48. So option A is correct, my dear friends. Think about this logic. Okay. So first column you have to subtract, second column you have to add. First column you have to subtract, second column you have to add, and then multiply those. Got it? So this is what 2 into 24, which is nothing but 48. Whereas next one, more numbers in vertical. So the logic will be in vertical mode. A, B, C, D. We can write D is nothing but A square plus B square plus C square actually. D is nothing but A square plus B square plus C square. 4 square plus 2 square plus 1 square. Likewise, if you just see here, 6 square plus 7 square plus 3 square, which will give 94 actually. Yes, 94, my dear friends. Got it, option C, 94 we have to get. See the next one. Now, see, they may ask you in terms of letters combination as well. Letters combination, you just see. B, D, C, all. Guys, now if you just look into this, so as we discussed in coding and decoding, here, see the first letters actually, B, C and D, E, F and G, H, I, then we have to get J. Remaining letter is D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. We need J and L. Okay, that's one thing. Then regarding numbers, 3 into 5 is 15. 2 into 4 is 8. 4 into 6 is 24. So we'll get option A, JL 24, my dear friends, not 12. We should get JL and 24. Got it? Whereas similarly, if you observe the letters here, A, after that B left, then written C, C after D left, E, then G, okay, E after F actually, G after H left, they mentioned I after J skip, they mentioned K, okay, we need K. Then again, M after N removed, it's nothing but O. O after P removed, it's nothing but Q. Fine. What about number C is 2 plus 4, 6. 3 plus 5 is 8. 5 plus 9 is 14, my dear friends. So we should get K8 actually. See that what we have to find is nothing but K and 8. Here K, and this is the value for that. K8 we have to get. Got it? Excellent. Now what about this question? 5, 3, 4, 7, 5, 6, 6, 4, 5. A lot of things they mentioned, right? So guys, again, just pause the video, try from your end, and then resume the video for the logic purpose. If you just observe, this is A into B plus C. A multiplied with B and then add C. Here 7 into 5, 35 plus 6 is 41. Whereas here X, Y and Z. If you want to find what is the Y value, dash check the logic. Think from your end, then resume the video, then see that. Okay, pause the video, try it from your end, okay, then resume the video. X plus Z divided by 2. Here y is x plus z divided by 2. Yes, 15 is nothing but 3 plus 27, 30 divided by 2. This is 9 plus 81 divided by 2, which is 45. 9 plus 81 divided by 2 will get it as 45 actually. Okay. Now this question, check the logic, my dear friends. Yeah, 4, 9 and 6. Guys, there is a square, b square. This is a into b. This is 3 square, 4 square. This is 3 into 4. This is 4 square. This is 4 into 5 actually. This must be 5 square now, which should be 25. So this logic, yes. 2 square, 3 square, 2 into 3. 4 square, 5 square, 4 into 5. 3 square, 4 square, 3 into 4. 2 square, 3 square. This is 2 into 3. 3 square, 4 square, 3 into 4, 4 square, 5 square, 4 into 5 like that. Fine. Similarly here, guys, yes, try the logic from your end. A, B, C and D. What about this one is? Guys, yes, pause the video, check your logic. If you're not getting, then play the video. A plus B plus C plus D divided by 2. Add all those and divide by 2. Yes, adding all this, we got 40 divided by 2. Adding all this, we'll get 50 divided by 2. Now adding all this, we should get 44 actually. As per the question, so 15 plus 10, 12 and x should give 44. This is already 37. So x must be equal to 7. X must be equal to 7. Got it? Now this question, x, y and z. Guys, check your logics. What you can do is, yeah, X plus Y multiply with Z. Add X and Y, then multiply with Z. You will get 108. Same thing both. Whereas here, this is difference between that extremes. It is A, B, C. This is A minus B. This is C minus A. This is B minus C. The difference is modulus. Here, yes, 10 we have to get. Here 6. Here 4. Difference, right? 15 and 5. Sorry. 15 and 5 is 10. Difference between those extremes. Excellent, my dear friends. Okay, so with this, the entire topic inserting missing character is completed. If you have any doubts related to this topic, you people can mail us, mail to me. Okay, I'll just rectify you. Thank you, guys.